Good afternoon, everybody. We welcome one and all in this high-octane contest between these two wonderful teams. We have the match referee and both the captains in the center. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for four. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Good shot for a single. Masterful batting. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Turned away for a single. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Couldn't time that well as he would have liked. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Right on top of the bounce as he defends. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Turned away for a single. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Very good running between the wickets. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Last ball coming up. Squeeze a single there. Good running. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. He's not going to miss out on those. Ah, that's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I'm really grateful for my captain to have so much faith in me, and it really worked out there.